The number of people testing positive for COVID locally is on the rise.
Now, with how fast it's going up and whether or not deaths and hospitalizations are following, First News anchor Stan Boney joins us live in the studio.
Well, I'm going to focus during this hour on the numbers throughout Ohio, where cases and hospitalizations are on the rise, but the number of people dying from COVID actually fell in the past week. So let's start with new cases in Ohio. In the week ending today, you can see there were just over 39,000 new cases. To put this in perspective, during the exact same week last year, there were 46,000 new cases, so 5,000 or about 15% less than what we're seeing this year. But look how cases have risen now over the past 4 weeks. Ohio started the month with 23,600 cases. Since then, it's gradually been going up. This week, 39,000 cases. That's up 65% in 4 weeks. The number of people dying from COVID is actually going down, though throughout the pandemic, the number of deaths has lagged behind a spike in cases. For 3 weeks there, you can see the numbers bounced anywhere from the mid to the upper 500s. This past week, it fell down to 420. That's a drop of 27%. Hospitalizations, now these are the number of people hospitalized for COVID on these days. For the first 2 weeks of the month, it was right around 2,300. Then it jumped up to 2,700. Then this past week, almost 3,200. That's up 35% in 4 weeks. That's a pretty big jump there. Finally, vaccinations. This is the percentage of people receiving at least one shot. Our 3 counties trail Ohio as a whole, where 57% of the people have received at least one shot. Mahoning County, 54%, Trumbull County, 52%, Columbiana County at 44%. Coming up in First News at 6, I'll focus on the numbers locally, which pretty much mirror the state as a whole. Live in the studio, Stan Boney, WKBN 27 First News.